Welcome to the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. In this session, we explore how Meorient, a Chinese exhibitions company, transitioned from traditional trade shows to digital platforms during the global pandemic. This case highlights the company's digital pivot, leadership vision, and strategies that helped it pioneer a new path in international exhibitions. 2010. Meorient was founded with the ambition to become a leading digital exhibitions company. 2018. It formed a specialized R&D team in Hangzhou, focusing on big data analytics and matchmaking technologies. 2019. Meorient became China's first listed exhibitions company on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. 2020 onward, it launched a digital exhibitions platform to serve clients during the COVID-19 pandemic. Meorient's strategic vision is threefold: to become the world's leading digital exhibitions company, to establish itself as China's first-class national exhibitions brand, to serve as a global connector, bridging Chinese manufacturers with international buyers. Meorient has scaled impressively. It has served over 200,000 Chinese enterprises, built connections in over 100 global markets, and achieved an industry milestone as the first publicly listed Chinese exhibitions company. Key drivers of Meorient's transformation include visionary leadership from co-founder Fang Huansheng, who foresaw the shift toward digital, strategic investment in technology, especially in big data and intelligent matchmaking, public market validation, which endorsed the company's business model, a data-driven approach that integrated analytics with trade facilitation. Meorient built its digital ecosystem in stages: market research, understanding global exhibitor and buyer needs; technology development, creating proprietary platforms; user adoption, helping clients transition to digital tools; data analytics, refining offerings through real-time insights. Before the pandemic, Meorient operated using a traditional exhibitions model: in-person trade shows, physical product displays, face-to-face networking. The company had begun integrating digital enhancements, like databases, registration systems, and matchmaking tech, but the core was still physical. The global pandemic halted physical events. In-person events were shut down worldwide. Travel bans and venue closures disrupted the exhibitions business. Despite the disruption, trade still needed to happen. Buyers and sellers had to connect, but through new formats. Meorient was well positioned to act. With investments in digital readiness, it could scale quickly. The R&D team fast-tracked platform development. The crisis offered a first-mover advantage to lead the emerging digital exhibitions market. In response to the disruption, Meorient accelerated platform development for a virtual exhibitions experience, deployed rapidly to meet urgent demand, educated the market on the new digital paradigm, committed to continuous refinement using feedback loops. Adoption wasn't automatic. Meorient had to convince traditional exhibitors and buyers to trust digital platforms, share success stories from early adopters, build strategic partnerships with associations, create training programs to onboard users, offer financial incentives for early engagement. To ensure platform success, it's essential to build confidence among both exhibitors and buyers. We start with success stories, highlighting early adopters who've seen tangible business benefits. These stories build credibility and create powerful word-of-mouth momentum. Next, we establish strategic partnerships. By collaborating with key industry associations, we gain influence and visibility, accelerating adoption across networks. Training programs are also critical. These include comprehensive onboarding and digital skills development to ensure all users can engage effectively with the platform from day one. Finally, we offer a compelling incentive structure, financial rewards for those who adopt early. This drives urgency and lowers the barrier to entry. Together, these pillars form a robust framework to attract, engage, and retain stakeholders in the ecosystem. Three pillars strengthened Meorient's market position: technological innovation, unique algorithms and platform features; industry expertise, deep knowledge of trade show dynamics adapted to digital; network effects, a growing ecosystem that increased platform value for every participant. Meorient's transformation paid off. It expanded beyond China to include global enterprises. Its services now span manufacturing, tech, services, and consumer goods. It connects businesses across Asia, Europe, the Americas, and emerging markets. It monetizes through a blend of subscriptions, transactions, and service fees. Looking ahead, Meorient will focus on hybrid evolution, merging digital with physical exhibitions; AI-driven matchmaking, improving buyer-seller connections with machine learning; trust architecture, building digital trust through verified credentials and secure payments. Thank you for exploring this case with us in the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. Meorient's story is a blueprint for digital transformation in traditional industries. From trade show floors to virtual platforms, it illustrates how visionary leadership, tech investment, and agile execution can turn crisis into opportunity in the international business landscape.